Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction work going on Spanish Town Road. Now Spanish Town Road is being rehabilitated, but the project is being done in two parts. The first part is Water Commission is laying pipes, and then once the pipes have been laid and everything signed off on, the contractor is going to come in and repave the road. Alright, we're now going over the 3 miles overpass. It's a double overpass in Jamaica. We are on the Spanish Town Road overpass, and above it is the Hagley Park Road overpass. This project is finished. As you can see, we're driving on it now. But on both sides of this overpass now, they're doing work on the left side, or the side we're coming from on Spanish Town Road, and as we come off the overpass, they're also doing work on this side. So Water Commission is to lay the pipes, because what happened is there are a lot of communities off Spanish Town Road, a lot of business places and a lot of residential communities. Like where these cars are coming from, that's Olympic Gardens. Further down towards the downtown area, you have Tivoli Gardens, you have Denham Town, Trench Town. Straight ahead, you have a lot more communities, Riverton, a lot of very large communities. And over the years, these communities have grown. So the water supply that these communities received was not adequate because the pipes were too small, and this was never intended to serve such large communities. So Water Commission decided to go ahead and put in new pipes. So the pipes were put in, the road was dug up, and if you look on the left, you can see where the road was dug up and the pipes were put in. But because Water Commission has this, how would I say, reputation, or which is, it has happened in the past where roads have been paved and fixed and then they have to be dug up because of the water pipes. It was decided to let Water Commission go in first and lay these pipes, and then once they pressure test the pipes, make sure everything is okay, then the contractor would come in and repave the road and fix it up very nice to let it look like one of the more modern roads in Jamaica. However, the pressure tests were done, and then I noticed the road was dug up again. So obviously something went wrong, and this road has not been paved over yet. This is actually an update video. So clearly Water Commission has not finished with the laying of the pipes, which is fine. Rome wasn't built in a day. It's best to do it this way rather than have to dig up the road. So we're just getting an update. I thought by now they would have started to repair the road, but I guess they're still waiting on Water Commission, because nothing new has been done on this road in a while. We'll go back and take a look at the other side of the overpass to see if anything has started over there. But this road is a very busy road. The intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road, where you saw the double overpass, is actually the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So this road, Spanish Town Road, will take you from Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica. You come on Mandela, you come off on Spanish Town Road, and you take Spanish Town Road to the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So you can see just how important this road is. It takes you from the busiest road in Jamaica to the busiest intersection. And then from Hagley Park Road, you can go up to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So this is a very important road to the city of Kingston, and that's why they're renovating it. However, as you can see, they haven't made much progress in the paving over the road, etc., because they're still waiting on Water Commission and their pipe laying. Alright, so we're going to turn back around here now, because if we continue straight, we'd have to go on to Mandela Highway. This is where we can turn around. Okay, on the left is Riverton City, or the Riverton community. They have a dump over there. I think they call the dump Riverton City. Okay, on the left is Washington Gardens. As we go over this bridge, I see View Gardens on the right. Yep, definitely no roadworks has started. I mean, in terms of paving the road. Hopefully they'll get it going soon, because I noticed there's no more heavy equipment. Water Commission doesn't have their equipment out, so hopefully they have finished with the pressure testing and the second part of the project can get going soon. And I must say, the government is doing an excellent job in fixing these roads. You can drive from the highway. You can come in from Mandeville, Maypen and Highway 2000, come off on Mandela Highway, which is a very nice road, and then take Mandela Highway to Spanish Town Road, which is in the works to be fixed up. And then from Spanish Town Road, you can go on Hagley Park Road to Halfway Tree, which is a highway quality road, or you can go on Marcus Garvey Drive and head to Portmore, the Wharf, or even downtown Kingston on a new road. Marcus Garvey Drive was recently renovated, very nice road. And then once you get to downtown Kingston, you can go on Port Royal Street and head out or through downtown Kingston. So the road network in Jamaica has really been improved, the major roads, because the residential roads are a completely different story. But Rome wasn't built in a day, it's going to take time. But in terms of the main roads and getting people from New Kingston to downtown, or from Marcus Garvey Drive, from the Wharf, all these main roads are being built, and they're doing an excellent job with them, I must say. Almost all of them are being built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and they are the preferred contractor in Jamaica now, and they are doing an excellent job. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.